KHYC Mauthat Raishan Circle hakajing alam President Usamla Shambor Langren kala lej banyak kendu yaki bor badai pej yakatanat kakot kakia ha West Khasi Hills District ban pensngau halor kajing bamdan Dr. ha Markasa PHC mentala artayortam kabala bujinge shibun yaki pajba kathan kaseng kala lab bana du bau doktor ulami no nagate ka hospital hadu menta kate ka hospital kala thli khlam dan shu bawat ban shimti hakajaga jong u Nakaliang gibor penyat kila pentip bagila depan pa ekajing tho sya gibor bahalor halor kani kapang hakajo kapor ka seng kala kentu yo MLA kathan uba brolding nongsit ubalong ru menteri sarkar bon sim khia ban yarap lem ban pej halor kani kajing e ki pai pa kathan
Nakaliang kejongi ni hadin bangi layo ya ka jingtip bat ni tip hi bat ni i leng ba dalagi jongki khmat ya ka jing jongki pai ba khamtam kinongpang bawan bansin dawai banwan syak sumar hangte ha Markasa PHC namar da ladangam bakla naduk ka laiterik jong mentau benai ba i doktor ibadan borbor hangte ilami nakate ka jaka i smar nakamta ban pentebet ya ke jingpole ki jong i te kate ka jaka hadu menta kala long thali TPI kate ka hospital hangte kade ka 24/7 bat ngi i ya ka jing ke jong ki pai ba la da kimdon doktor watang sisngiro tinrai ka basmusi kolong ba haduk menta nakaliang ka gomen haduk menta la yaj palat artio ti umdon doktor umdon nong sumar hakte ka PSC hospital kumalong menta kidan tangki staff nurse bat ki wei pat ki staff jong kate ka jaka i sumar ti halor kani ka nongrim nakaliang jong ikum ka seng ngidap da gi jung khia bat ngi i ro ya ga jing gi jong pai ba nakupor sakupor bat kidon bun ki kes ki ba kiba kidon kam ya kajing sumar na ketika jaka sumar hanre ha kajing bom don doktor kemal watang ikis ibarit ro ya haban transfer na sya mairang sibil hospital te kajing kajong pai ba kapulong yang ikum keseng bangin nomla ban susong kliti hanre mata kasni kat kandai tarek iwan ya kaban kendo sindon ya i district medical and health officer jong ka West Khasi iba dang in charge menta ha bade bar ketika Markasa PHC te hagajinya karan jongi kum kinoilam jong kaseng bat i klidu jong ka department jong ka kya nakaliang jong i long ba ilasim kya ya kana kam bat menta kani ka kam kali yai skman bat nakaliang ka jong i kum inoilam jong ka o kum i klidu jong kana ka department jong ka kya jong ka district i bar koi kila forward ro ya kana ka kam syate sya director hangte Shillong nagamenta ban le don kam te nakaliang jungi kum kaseng ni kermen ba ka jisim khia jong ka district medical and health officer le se kan wanra bat kan wan no sindon ya jing jong ki pajba ki jong ni hangte Markasa ha ka ba nidan tang ka te ka Markasa PHC hi ka ba ai jing sekri ya shibun teli ki snong bat ki pajba ki babun ba ki sanya na ka ka jakai semar
Shanta Group of Institutions, Bangalore, under the leadership of the most popular public servant Shri Dr. K. Sudhakar. The institutions offers academic opportunities for full-term courses to short and long-term training. Around 500 students from various states are pursuing various courses like nursing, with 100 multiple teaching and non-teaching departments comprising of 500 students pursuing graduation, post-graduation and doctorate courses. The state of the academic facilities of Shanta Group of Institutions provide practical training under the supervision of faculty members. At Shanta Group of Institutions, excellence and academic combined with exquisite facilities like sports and games, gym fitness center, digital library, hostel facilities, and also they provide 100% quality placement and merit scholarship can be provided to meritorious students.